Mega budget movies versus low budget movies, which works better?
It is not important that the movie is mega budget movie or a low budget movie works. It's just the what is the story and what is the story or what is the content of the movie, or the movie is able to connect more with people. So the movie which connects with people more, or the public movie which is most liked by people, that is more works in the Bollywood. We cannot compare it to a mega budget movie can work or a low budget movie can work. We have seen in the past, like People Live, a low budget movie works very good. It has been selected in the Oscar, whereas a mega budget movie like Ravan by Shah Rukh Khan was not as good as People Live.
The point you've just made is a very valid point, but then the topic of the discussion today is whether mega budget movies or low budget movies, which of the one works better. So, and you saying about the script and stuff, so I think we're deviating from the topic. The topic.
I would like to add on. She said that it doesn't matter whether it's a mega budget movie or a low budget movie. It does matter. If it's a mega budget movie, there would be better stars and the story script would be better. Obviously, if there is more emphasis on working of a movie, it would be obviously better.
But we are also not sure if the mega budget movies will be definitely a hit or a flop, or a low budget movie would be a flop or something like that. The main thing is that it should impress people.
Say that movie which has great screenplay, great message, which the public can connect to, that comes out to be good. Not just the big movie which a lot of stars can work. It does not. It obviously depends on the acting. What are the actors acting in the movie? But definitely, what is the acting content of the movie connects with the people.
That's again a very valid point.
Low budget movies versus the mega budget movies. And if we see Vicky Noller, it was a 5 crore budget movie and it made a profit of over 50 crores. And this is the main concept, that we are not looking at whether it is a mega budget movie or a low budget movie. We're just concerned to the entertainment, to the profit, and to the message we get out of the movie. Mega budget or low budget, that is just to some people that they prefer mega budget.
I'd like to add to a point, like, let's take a bird's eye view on this topic. The factors that make a movie a mega budget movie or a low budget movie are basically marketing factors. A movie which is marketed really well is obviously got to be a mega budget movie. So in such a scenario, a movie which is being well marketed, well presented, the promos are good, the songs are good, and the scene selections and whatever the processes that are involved are good, doesn't that add to the probability of the movie being a hit?
I would like to add that you're telling about the low budget and a high budget movie. Let me tell you, marketing does not include this low budget or high budget. It is the investment made by the producer in the movie which tells us that it is a low budget movie or a high budget movie, in addition to the marketing.
You just repeated my point. That's what I was trying to say.
You just said marketing. It is not just marketing.
Only mega budget movies don't market, even the low budget movies market. So we cannot consider the marketing as an aspect. We just are considering the investment and the profits after that.
But the-
We cannot
Exactly, but the point.
budget versus mega
Okay.
It's not
If we fight against the point that the main topic is that the mega budget movies against low budget movies, then we will see that what we all are actually like talking is surrounding just one point, that is what is the main idea of the movie. Even there, the mega budget movies, the budget might increase because they have been filmed abroad, in Phuket and all of these places where the the audience would like to see those countries also. Even that constitutes of a mega budget. But do they always go success?
That was
But
very
in-
well
Success
said.
lies
But
on
in
the main
India,
idea.
like in India, the mega budget movies are for making money these days. Like if you see movies in Hollywood like Avengers, it was a mega budget movie with a lot of advertisement and a lot of sponsors, but it was actually good and worth watching compared to the movies like Bollywood people make. And Bollywood people they earn money, but the people they don't get entertained like the Hollywood movies.
But
Bollywood and
practically,
Hollywood is not the main topic over
No, but
here. The
mega
topic
budget
is
movies.
budget.
Yeah. I'm talking
practically in today's world, everything is about making profits. Whether you're in an institution or you're making a movie, ultimately what you want to reap is profits. Nobody wants to incur losses.
Nobody knows about the investment that you
Yeah,
make.
nobody wants to incur
Everybody knows about
losses.
the final outcome of the movie which you get.
Exactly. Nobody wants to incur losses. So therefore, when a person is investing a huge amount of money, what is he exactly investing on? Maybe the technology, the destination, the stars involved in the movie. So if you keep everything right in the right places, so isn't it like a guarantee or a sanctioned check for you for the
We
future?
cannot guarantee that the mega budget
But-
movies are always successful. That is
They're not
why-
always
Low
successful,
budget
but then they
movies.
add to the probability of the success.
The probability
I would
is
like to add to
very-
this point. If we consider Ravan, it was not a good movie,
Yeah,
but
it was well marketed,
it was well marketed. It was really well invested, and he made a lot of profit out of it.
The movie in
movie
itself, as in the script, was not a very
Not a very good
success,
movie, but
then it surpassed the cost which
the cost he
the cost
incurred,
that was
and that
invested
is
in
the
movie.
main point. He marketed very well.
Yeah, so
he had
That
a
was the cost
ma-
before the movie was released. So
Yes.
That
it's-
was because of all the that was because of the promotions.
Hype of Shah Rukh Khan, that
Yeah.
movie was
Yeah.
well marketed.
If there were no big stars, if there was not Shah Rukh Khan and some other small actor with the same budget movie, do you think that it would have been such a big
I
success?
guess for every director, his
Based on the
investment
story
is the
concept.
biggest. For every director, his investment is the biggest, and he invests as much as he can. And we cannot guarantee that the mega investor is always better than the lower investor, or the lower investor is better than.
That's
the
very rightly said. You cannot guarantee anything in this world, but then the probability of your movie being a success in terms of the profits that you incur after the release, the probability rises with you actually investing a great amount of money.
Movies can surely create a hype. There can surely be a probability that they are going to be successful, but there's no probability.
I
There's
would
no surety that they are
add on to
actually.
the point that it's not necessary that a mega budget movie would always be a big hit. It's the main point lies behind it should cater the most of the majority of the people needs. I mean to say that majority of people should be it should be kept in mind that they like the movie.
That's
Yes,
very
sir.
that's
At least
And
sometimes
to
it-
draw all of your
And I
attention.
would like to add on that it's not necessary that we have to invest more in the movie and then it would be a
I
big
guess
hit.
none of us
Sometimes-
have viewers.
I like to speak and conclude.
Actually, I just want to conclude that it's not depend upon like which one is better. Like if like sometimes it's mega budget movies are also sometimes better, and lower budget movies are also sometimes better. But it depend upon like how the depend upon the viewers what they want to wish and what they want to watch. So I just want to conclude that it's once.
15 seconds.
I would like to conclude that the scripts really matter, and what the way of presentation, how are they presenting the movie.
Okay, let's end the